What's up, fam? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. It will help me out so much. So today I have my under 10-minute makeup routine. This is a routine I use almost every day when I have to go to work and I have limited time of doing it. And I just love it because it's really simple. I only use like 7 products and literally I'm out the door in a flash. This is really good for my beginners in makeup because it's nice, light makeup that you can wear almost every day just to get comfortable with makeup and start to learn different things about it that you might not know beforehand. This is also for my working women who literally do their makeup in the car in traffic every morning. And this is also for those girls who take forever to get ready but got like 10 minutes to do so. So this will speed up your makeup routine. So boyfriends or friends, if you have a girlfriend like that, we all have a girlfriend like that, please show them this video. It'll save them a lot of time. Of course, this is not something that you do for like really formal events, but this is more of a more natural everyday makeup routine that's under 10 minutes. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned. Let's get started, you guys. So all the things you'll need is a foundation powder. I use this foundation powder in NW50 by MAC. Let's see if this thing will focus. Bam, there we go. And this is a heavy duty foundation powder. I love it so much. You can build it up. It's pretty much full coverage. So yeah, you can see I hit pan. I need to go get some more. Cool. You will need, of course, primer. I have combination to normal skin, but I love this primer by Urban Decay. Urban Decay De-Slick Complexion Primer. Here we go. Bam. And it keeps you mattified. I love using this with my Embryolisse primer, and it just makes the skin just nice and moisturized, and this also allows your skin to be nice and matte. So I only put this on my T-zone, and I put my Embryolisse primer all over my face, but that's what I moisturize with, so that's why I'm not showing you guys, but I'll put that down below. So you'll need that. Then you'll also need your choice of concealer. I'm using Beautifully Bronzed by LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then my choice of highlighter today, and always on the regular, is my Gilded Honey highlighter by Laura Geller, and it's completely like cracked, so I'm not even gonna open it because it's gonna make a mess. And then for my lips, I go ahead and I use Spite Lip Gloss by MAC with Chestnut Liner. So that's all the stuff we're gonna be using. Oh, almost forgot, Morphe setting spray to sink everything out. I'm just gonna apply this to my nose area. Like I said, my skin's already moisturized by Embryolisse with Embryolisse moisturizer / primer. So I'm gonna apply this to my forehead, basically my T-zone. So I will usually go ahead in with my concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead, and you really just wanna focus your concealer on the areas that you have any dark spots, any acne spots, any spots that you kind of want to appear brighter, any spots that you want to just conceal that you don't want to show. You could highlight. This tutorial is not about highlighting and contouring. It's legit to help you get like an even playing field so that when you go out, you know, none of your imperfections are really showing. I'm gonna go in with a brush. This is MAC's 270 brush. It's kind of dirty, but I use it all the time. So now I'm gonna take my favorite brush. I've had this brush for years. Since I started makeup, and this is the e.l.f. powder brush. I think they still sell this brush. I could be mistaken, but yeah. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray and kind of like just touch it a little bit. I'm gonna spray it and then kind of tap in that concealer Like I said, we want to go for natural. We're gonna go in with the same brush and our foundation powder, and we're gonna go ahead and cover the whole face with this foundation. So we're just gonna go ahead and swirl. This is why I'm at pan, and we're gonna tap it in to the skin. Tapping it into the skin ensures that you're gonna have the coverage that you need without putting on so much product, because it's literally just going to sit on the skin. That's all it's gonna do, and it's gonna cover every imperfection that you have. So, and then of course you want to touch over that concealer so that everything looks seamless. We're good. So we got what, 3 steps done already. So now you want to focus on your eye area. To wake up the eyes, I love mascara. I don't even go in with eyeliner. Too much trouble, too much time being wasted. Just go ahead and coat your lashes with some mascara. This is Max Mascara in Extreme Dimension. I'm gonna go into some highlighter. I'm gonna go into my Broken L'Oreal Gilded Honey highlighter. Look how broken that is. It's so sad. So sad. And I'm going in with a M150 brush. I love to highlight with this. We cute. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is lips, and then we are done, you guys. So taking chestnut liner, just gonna go ahead and line my lips. And then we're gonna put the Spike gloss in the center. And I love gloss versus a matte for everyday because it just makes you look more awake. And we are all done. So now we're gonna spray. And that is it, you guys. This is the final look. Very, very pretty. Very skin-like, light, you know. Just overall, just natural. This is good for every day. Everyday glam, y'all, everyday glam. But yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video for anybody that you know trying to get into makeup, or anybody that you know that will use this routine. I have some great content coming for you guys. Stay tuned. Later,